Hey guys, welcome to Tech Crumbs, where we break technology into smaller pieces. So today we're featuring the Sony RX100 Mkiii, and I'm going to show you how to load and unload the SD card. So on the bottom, you have this sliding little knob, which you have to push that way, lift it up, and then the SD card can only go in one way. So we're going to try to put it the wrong way. As you can see, it won't want to let you go. And as you can see, the SD card has that little notch. The notch has to go that way. So one way it'll work, one way it won't work. And you click it. Once it clicks, put the top down, slide it on, and when you turn on your camera, it'll show you that there is an SD card. It lets me shoot and all of that, which is what we want to be able to do. So yeah, then you turn off the camera. And when you want to unload the card, it's the same thing the other way around. So we press that sideways, lift the door, push the card, and it comes out. Remember that you should use certain cards. So I'm going to leave the cards that I recommend down in the comments. Hope you enjoyed the video. See you in the next one.